Hey boys and girls, we are starting a new reading story this week, and actually our reading story is called A Birthday Basket for Tia. Okay, so obviously you know that it's going to be somebody's birthday, okay? And they're making it for somebody very special in their family. I'm not going to say who it is yet, okay? So don't read your story yet. We'll read that tomorrow. All right, but our whole topic is about different cultures and their family type celebrations. So every culture sometimes has a different certain thing that they eat at certain times. The way that they celebrate is different. And things like that. So obviously we're going to be talking about a Hispanic oops, sorry, it's not in the frame. We're going to be talking about a Hispanic family and going over some of their different types of traditions. Now, in your family, you may have a certain birthday tradition that you do every year for someone. Okay, Miss Hearn's birthday tradition is her mom cooks her favorite food, which is fried rice. Okay, Miss Hearn was born in the Philippines when her dad was in the Air Force, and so her mom learned how to make it over there, and it's one of my favorite foods. No, I'm not Filipino. No, my family's not from the Philippines, but it's one of my favorite things and something that she learned over there. So that's what we're going to be talking about this week, boys and girls, is different family celebrations. And it may be, do you know any information about cultural traditions and certain activities that maybe someone share? When we celebrate the New Year, think about this. There's also something called the Chinese New Year, and they celebrate that with a special parade too. And they have like a lot of people get together and make a dragon. So that is a Chinese celebration that they celebrate every year, just like we celebrate the brand new year on January. Theirs is on a different day. So lots of different cultures have lots of different traditions, and I find it fascinating to go and learn about those different types of traditions from all the different types of people, because think about it, America is the melting pot of all these different nations coming together, and we're just a very unique type of place. And that's what God wants us to see, is he wants us to all see how we're the same yet different, and how we can use our traditions to bring each other together and show each other those things. Now, also I want y'all to think about in the state of New York, there's lots of different places. Like they have a place that has just Chinese type people there. You can go find all the Chinese different types of food. They have kind of like an Italian area. All of those different things, because a lot of people would go right into those 13 original colonies that we talked about, and so a lot of different types of families stayed there. So remember, America is the melting pot. We are all loved by the same God that created each and every one of us. Okay, he may made us all different, but we are also made in his image. So I'm really excited about this one and learning about another culture. Hope you guys are too.